What do we got next? Let's see what we got here. Ooh, beep beep death. A classic. Another classic. I don't really remember this level. Let me see. Okay, I remember. Just normal jumps. Boom, right through it. No shortcuts, no dev doors, so don't be looking. I don't believe in dev doors. There we go. Alright, now this one, when you get off this thing, you gotta be running. You gotta be a little, it's gonna go up a little. Ready? 2, 3, running. I forget what I'm jumping to. Okay, that's right. Just let it fall. Don't jump in yet. Oh, shoot! I literally just said, don't jump. And I jumped. Alright, regular jumps here. Regular jumps. You're gonna make it. Don't freak out. Most of my levels are gonna mess with you, like, in your head. Beeps. The time. It's all to mess with you psychologically. Damn, I could barely spit that out. I know, Toad, I know. Alright. Beep. Run. I got a little... Alright, now hey, meathead. Wait. Don't go down yet. A little patience. Alright. Now look at this. See this thing? That's the one solid ground. Here we go. Oh my god! Too slow. I forget these levels. I made this like 2 weeks ago. So give me a break. Bingo. I'm sure that part scares people and they quit. Have a little gumption. Hang in there. Hang in there. A little break. Gather your thoughts. Get your fingers ready. Here we go. Hey, what the hell are you... What the fuck? Dude, I'm telling you. These damn Pro controllers and the knobs. Look at it. I'm not even touching anything. Like, I recalibrate these stupid things every other day now. Thanks, Nintendo. $80. Oh, that's right. If you don't go in the beginning, you're screwed. Well, maybe if my guy wasn't auto-crouching. I don't know about you guys, but I use the D-pad. I don't use the analog sticks. But these damn analog sticks be floating. Left, right, up, down. Nintendo, I love you, but we gotta do something about that. Got me crouching. Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon, or whatever it's called. Alright. Back to business here. There we go. Bang. Bang. Alright. Now don't be an idiot. I love these blocks. So much you can do with them. Alright, now be patient. Stand on the sand. Now I gotta be fast. Alright, here we go. Yeah. Alright, we're in the pipe. Another checkpoint. Stay on the columns. Do not try to run. And air bladder. Checkpoint, though. Stay on the columns. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Stay on the columns, he says. You'll make it. Stoop. There we go. There we go. Okay. This is the end. Bingo. Alright. Raising the toad flag. Atta boy.